So one of my big problem when I'm streaming using the Canon M50 is the battery. So in this video, I'm gonna show you which solution I use for my battery problem using the Canon M50 for streaming coming up. Do you use Canon M50 for your web conference or just regular webcam? Do you have a problem with the battery? I mean, because the battery life for the Canon M50 is too short. The maximum capacity of the battery of the Canon M50 is like, I think it's 2 to 3 hours. That's the maximum capacity you can use your single battery for the Canon M50. Yeah, depending on how you use it. So in this video I will show you one solution, so you will not going to have a problem with your battery again when you are using your Canon M50 for webcam. So the solution I got is this one. I bought this from Amazon. This is the AC power adapter thing for the Canon M50. I will link it down in the description below. This is not an affiliate link. So got this product for like $14 here in the US, and what's in the box is wow, look, it's a instruction manual with a picture, so you're not gonna get wrong when you're gonna use this product. So that's the instruction manual, and what we got here is a cable, and oh, we got a brick. So this thing attached to the camera or to the battery, and this thing plugs here, and you plug it in a wall mount. Yeah, like so. Yep. And they got a dummy battery that you can put it here in the Canon M50. So we will try that. So first things first, we have to take the battery off the Canon M50 or your Canon M50. This is the original battery that you're gonna take off from the camera, and then you will insert the dummy battery like so, and then you close the lid, and then you see this thing. This is the thumb. You have to put this up, and then you have to insert this power adapter here. See this? It lifts up with the fingernail. Yeah, like so. That's the fingernail. And then use your fingernail, I'm sorry. And then insert the power adapter like that. And then let's plug this into the power source. Let's put this at the tripod first, so we can. I'll be back. I already plugged in the power, so let's see if the camera will open. Let's see if the camera will turn on. Let's see. Yes, it did turn on. See that? See, I can see you from here. It turns on. So yeah, that is how you're gonna have an unlimited power using your dummy battery. I don't know what you call this battery. I just see that it says in Amazon it's a power AC adapter battery from Canon M50. As I said, I will link it down in the description below. If you want to buy this product, you can use the link that I'm gonna provide. It's not an affiliate link, so you can do whatever you want. And yeah, so that's all for my review, and there's no fancy thing about this battery. I just want to unbox and try it in front of the camera. So as always, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe if you're new. Comment below, tell me about my video today. I'll see you in the next one.